Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. This is your girl Cassie, aka Viva Natural, and I am back with another video by Aunt Jackie's main attraction line. Today I'm going to be using the Buttercream Intensive Moisture Sealant. It's a hydration sensation and it is unique therapy for chronically dry hair. This is mixed with coconut cream with honey, shea butter, and avocado to moisturize your hair. It helps and protect and strengthens your ends. And this is very beneficial for 2C to 4C hair types. It is great for protective styling and helping keep your hair warm under wigs, weaves, and so many other options. So my goal is really to detangle my hair and moisturize it. So right now I'm just going to put my hair in parts like I usually do. Use my wide tooth comb to comb it out so it can be well detangled. Then I'm going to follow it up with a twist out after I apply the moisturizer. I felt a huge difference in my hair after I applied the moisturizer to my hair. It felt super soft and it felt very bouncy. And it felt very healthy. I know I'm saying a whole bunch of stuff, but you guys need to try this. So basically, I'm just going to repeat this whole process through on my hair, and I am going to put it in chunky twist outs. So after thoroughly detangling the hair and moisturizing it, I did take down the twist out right after, and this is how my hair was looking. My hair looks so moisturized and it looks so healthy, and I just couldn't help it. My hair looks good. So right now, I'm just gonna pick it out a little bit just to have my hair looking a little bit fuller. So this is just a little short clip, so I really hope you guys do enjoy it. Please let me know if you are interested in buying it, and if you do get it, please let me know how you feel about the product. I'll put all the information on the product down below in the description box. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as always, and I will be back with another video.